Welcome to Creamer Media's Resources Watch, a weekly video roundup of the events and people making and shaping the news in the mining industry. This week, repurposed exploration to help rebuild South Africa's economy, says Business Booster, and coal miner Exxaro to build 68 megawatt solar power plant in Limpopo. Rifle Shot Performance's Dilly Naidu says South Africa should repurpose the exploration investments that catalyzed South Africa's economic growth more than a century ago as a means of helping to rebuild South Africa's struggling economy.
I'm a passionate South African and I'm a passionate mining industry sector person who believes that the mining sector, if we invest in exploration for long-term sustainability, can be a tremendous contributor to the GDP of our country. So again, if we look at from a global perspective, our understanding is there's approximately 5% of capex in mining that's going into exploration, that's looking at new opportunities, new minerals, and some of the new renewable energy opportunities that's driving new minerals resources. If we look at South Africa, we've done a dismal job in terms of investment of capex into exploration. My understanding, it's less than 1%. To be exact, it's 0.75%. So clearly there is a big need to move and convince funders to invest in the exploration sector.
Financial close is expected at the end of March for construction in the second quarter of this year of a 68 megawatt solar power plant at a cost of between 1.52 billion and 1.56 billion rand.
The worsening electricity supply shortage has compounding negative impact on business, and particularly the SMMEs, as well as other facets of our society. A direct impact is firstly through small businesses in our supply chain that are supported through our enterprise and supply development program. These small businesses are experiencing difficulties in deploying their services and fulfilling their financial obligation. Secondly, the welfare and the morale of our employees and their families has severely already affected. This is an unfortunate and evolving situation for all of us in South Africa. Due to this complexity, we do not by any means suggest that solutions will be simple. However, it is quite encouraging for us to witness some of the actions that the government and the SOEs have taken. Transnet's decision, for instance, to concession Johannesburg to Durban freight line, and the National Treasury's requirement for Eskom to do the same for some of its power stations. We really expect to see a little bit more as well from our government in this line of commitment.
For mining news as it breaks, stay logged on to miningweekly.com and register for our free daily newsletter.